LND theory, what is that? Linear no-dose theory. It is a compendium of materials and knowledge about the effects of harmful things on biological system. Linear no dose. This is a deep conversation inside the nuclear industry and an argument. And you will find where people are trying to say that's not how it works or something. Deeply complicated technical discussion drives back to that Beer's biological effects of ionizing radiation compendium I've mentioned in another video. This is the relationship between these things and millions of man years of effort and science efforts put into this. This is a huge compendium. It affects more than radioactive materials even, because it's the biological effects of ionizing radiation, which can include other energy types. In particular, Beers has pointed at alpha, beta, and gamma exposures. 3 different types of particles with 3 different ionizing energy effects that has to do with interferometry. The size of the molecule versus the size of the wavelength of the energy coming in. Says if they can even interact. And then you get into equations about how well they interact. And you learned this is how we understand cancer risk in a population. Small percentages, these 0.003%, the minuscule numbers out there that tell a true good story. And yet we don't understand fully. So there's a debate going on about this linear no-dose threshold. It is a nuclear industry debate. They are trying to quench, or Christianize our sciences and make them meaningless, make you question everything that there is to question in the world. The fact is, in discrete particle physics, people understand the differences in these energies very well. Some people have to account for them inside of measurement systems and the physics of measurements, knowing exactly how a detector works and responds to multiple energy levels so that you can make predictions, you can make process tuning parameter changes based upon information from these advanced science measurement devices. So that is one of the huge debates going on. It's being used right now to destroy pollution rules, environmental regulations. It's not that they're right, it's that they've made the conversation so confusing you can't have the conversation. So, LND model in a relationship to Beer's biological effects of ionizing radiation, a compendium of human information and science and studies. Some people are trying to understand, and others, well, is what it is. I'm trying, I think. Pieces out. Keep one step at a time.